Hello everyone, I welcome you again in another session of PT 2 minutes. I come up with another question on the principle of natural justice. Read the question carefully and come up with the right answer. I'll give you some time. Alright, so the question says the rules of principles of natural justice are applicable to how many of the following? There are three options. One says judicial functions, quasi-judicial functions, administrative functions, and you have to select. Before I'll tell you the correct answer, let me tell you that we have discussed one more question on these principles of natural justice, and there are three principles. You all know that one we have this hearing rule. Basically, we say that the other party must be heard. The second, we have the bias rule, in which we say that nobody should be a judge in his own case or her own case. The third one, we say that reasoned decision should be taken. For example, some decision has been taken against you, you have all the right to get the reasons of it. Alright, so these are natural justice principles. Now, these principles are so pervasive that they are not only applicable in judicial functions, they are applicable in your life also. For example, if you fight with someone, then you give them chance to present their case. You tell them the exact reason why you are fighting, and also you don't bring in your own biases while you are dealing with the or resolving the issue. So these principles are very helpful in your own life also. Now, if you look logically, then all these functions will involve the principle of natural justice. Judicial functions, you all know. In quasi-judicial functions, for example, such as the tribunals, these tribunals follow the principles of natural justice. They give enough chance to the other party to present their case. They give reasoned decisions, and usually the person who is involved is not the judge. Administrative functions, for example, if you become an IAS officer, you have to follow the principle of natural justice. You cannot take unreasonable decisions. You have to listen to the other party, and you have to remove yourself, your biases. Okay, so all three functions will have principles of natural justice. So the correct answer obviously will become C. So all of you who have marked C as your answer, congratulations, and for more such discussions, please follow our channel. Thank you.